This is David Dawes from thinkandretire.com, and today I'm going to talk about the things that I like about interactive brokers, Questrade, and Wealthsimple Trade. Before I continue, just a short disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence, research, and analysis before making your trading decisions. None of these companies paid me to make this video. These are based on my personal experience with these companies. In Canada, there are less choices for low commission trading. I have used all these brokerage platforms and I really like all of them. So let's talk about interactive brokers first. You can trade both Canadian and US equities and options. It has low commission if you trade options. It's best for the Canadians at the moment, in my opinion. You can buy fractional shares. The ETFs, you can trade them for zero commission. If you really want to get fancy with trading, it has great features. It has the lowest margin rate if you want a margin account. It has a global market access and wide variety of other options available. It has a relatively lower exchange rates. And if you're an experienced investor, this has a lot of good features. And there is no inactivity fee for interactive brokers. If you are interested, I'm inviting you to join interactive brokers. Use my affiliate link, which is provided in the description box below, and you can earn up to $1,000 US in IBKR stock. The next, we will talk about Questrade. The things I like about Questrade, it has lower commissions than most of the major banks. You can buy ETFs with zero commission. You only have to pay a commission when you sell them. It has a very nice and clean dashboard. You can also opt for a robo-advisor. It's called Quest Wealth. It provides free real-time market data, which is really a plus thing. It offers DRIP, which is the dividend reinvestment plan. Robo-advisor fees are a bit lower. It has no annual account fees. And if you want to open an account, it has an easy account opening process. If you are interested in opening a Questrade account, you can use the affiliate link, which I provided in the description box below, and you can earn up to $250 cash bonus to trade. The next, we will talk about Wealthsimple Trade. The things I like about Wealthsimple Trade, you can trade both US and Canadian equities. It has a bare bones features. The ETFs and the stocks, you can trade them with zero commission. It offers fractional shares. Now you can trade US stocks in US dollars as a Plus member for a monthly fee of $10. It offers robo-advisor. It's called Wealthsimple Managed Investing. Previously, it used to be called Wealthsimple Invest. It has a very nice and clean dashboard. There's no minimum balance requirement. Although no DRIPs are available in Wealthsimple Trade, but it is available in Wealthsimple Managed Investing, and it has an easy account opening process. If you're interested in opening a Wealthsimple account, you can use the affiliate link in the description box below, and you can earn up to $3,000 cash bonus to trade. I'm going to link to a couple of videos in the description box below. These videos will show you how you can buy US stocks in Canadian dollars using Questrade and Wealthsimple. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and the share buttons. If you want to be notified when I publish new videos, please subscribe and click the notification button. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.